Crocheting in the round has two versions: crocheting in a spiral pattern or closing off each round and starting new. This is the version of a spiral pattern where on the next round you are increasing. So you will place 2 single crochets into the first stitch. I need to increase my stitch count from 6 to 12 so on this round I will place 2 single crochets into each stitch from the previous round. Therefore, I am increasing my stitch count. When you get to your last stitch with the stitch marker, remove the marker. Place your 2 single crochets and replace the stitch marker into your last stitch. When you're done with the second round, you should have 12 stitches in all. Here you'll notice that you have to sometimes tighten the center up. That is why I leave the tail alone. For the third round, you place 2 single crochets into the first stitch, 1 single crochet into the second stitch. Again, on each round you're increasing by 6 stitches. So for this third round, the pattern is 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet. When you're done with the round, you should have 18 stitches.